Hello veggie lovers! In this video I will show you an American style of salad which is very healthy and quickly done. Let's see what we need. 250 gram beetroot, 30 gram rucola, 150 gram feta cheese, 1 cup of almond slices, 1 garlic cloves, 1 small red onion, half teaspoon of lemon zest, half lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons of vinegar and half teaspoon of cumin, which is optional. Let's get to it. As a first step, cook beetroot until it's soft. The time might differ because it depends on the size of the beetroot, but we can use the time to prepare the other ingredients. First, chop onion up as small pieces as you can. Now, soak the onion in 4 tablespoons of vinegar until the preparation process finishes. After mixing the vinegar and onion, dice the feta cheese. Let's prepare the salad dressing. In a bowl, mix lemon juice, oil, salt, lemon zest, and minced garlic until the salt is off. If you choose to put cumin, add at this step. Now the beetroots are soft enough. We soak them in cold water. Wait few minutes before you peel them. Then dice it into not too small pieces. All the ingredients are ready, so we drain the onion. Before we continue, let me remind you, please don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. Thank you very much. Now add the rinsed rucola, feta, almond, cooked beetroots, and onion to the serving bowl, then mix it well. Combine it with the dressing. I only add the fresh grounded pepper at the end to each portion because it's up to your taste. That's all for today. Bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.